1. Tap Menu in the Home screen. 2. Tap Network Settings. 3. Tap Select Wired Wireless LAN. 4. Tap Wireless LAN. Setting up connection by selecting a wireless router. 5. Tap Wireless LAN Settings. 6. Read the message that is displayed and tap OK. 7. Tap SSID Settings. 8. Tap Select Access Point. The machine starts searching for available wireless routers. 9. Select a wireless LAN router. Select the router whose SSID matches the one that you have written down. 10. Enter the network key that you have written down. Enter the network key using the numeric keys and tap Apply. 11. Tap Yes. 12. Check that the Wi-Fi indicator is blinking on the operation panel. The Wi-Fi indicator blinks when a wireless router is detected. When the setup is completed, the screen below is displayed, and approximately 2 seconds later, the Wi-Fi indicator lights up. On your computer, go to the Google Chrome. Enter MF237w printer driver in the search box and click on the search icon. From the search results, click on the official Canon website for that printer model. Times: choose your operating system, example Windows 10, Windows 11. Times: download the appropriate driver package. Locate the downloaded file. Open the folder where you downloaded the driver file. Run the installer. Double-click on the downloaded driver file to start the installation process. Follow the installation wizard. Accept the license agreement and follow the on-screen instructions. When prompted, choose the connection method. Select wireless connection. The installer will search for your printer on the network. Once found, follow any additional prompts to complete the setup. Follow the video instructions.